Hello students, welcome to BDSK online classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about parts of plant. Dear students, I hope that all of you know about the parts of plant. Dear students, the whole plant body are divided into following two parts. Okay, the whole plant body is divided into two parts. Number one, shoot. Number two, root. Okay, number one shoot, number two root. What is shoot? The uppermost part, the upper part of the plant above the earth or soil is called as shoot. Means पौधे का वह भाग जो जमीन के ऊपर पाया जाता है, that is called as shoot. Okay, the upper part of the plant above the earth is called as shoot. Okay, and it is following types. You know that the shoot is further divided into stem, branches, leaf, flower, fruit, buds, etc. Okay, so simply you can divide the shoot in following parts, that is stem, branches, leaf, flower, buds, fruit. Okay, these are the further division of this shoot. Okay, stem, you know that stem is the that part of the plant whose bear टोटल वेट ऑफ द प्लांट. यह पौधे का वह भाग होता है, प्लांट का वह भाग होता है जो प्लांट के समस्त वेट को, समस्त भार को क्या करता है, धारण किए होता है. इट इज वाइडर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अदर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, एंड ब्रांचेस, दी आर दी आल्सो लाइक stems, but these are thinner than the stem and in many numbers. Means stem तो बेटा प्लांट में एक ही होता है, उससे निकलने वाले स्टेम के जैसे पतली पतली बहुत सारे टहनियाँ होते हैं, that is called as branches. Okay, leaves, you know that leaves are the important part of the plant that taken part in the photosynthesis, that decorating the plants, that helps in gaseous exchange through the stomata. Okay, so next is leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. Dear students, this is the petiole. This is the blade. This is the lamina. This part is midrib. These are the veins. Okay. So I already told you that leaves play an important role in photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, in photosynthesis, in gaseous exchange, that is transpiration. Vasopressin. Dear students, transpiration is a process in which excess amount of water is removed from the plant body in form of water vapor through the stomata. Okay? Through the stomata. Understood? तो बेटा हमारा लीफ टू मेन फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है, दैट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस, बाय विच द प्लांट सेंसाइज देयर ओन फूड, जिसके द्वारा पौधे अपना भोजन बनाते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इज गैसियस एक्सचेंज. थ्रू द ट्रांसपायरेशन, बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन थ्रू स्टोमेटा, रंध्रों के द्वारा अपने बॉडी में एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को स्टोमेटा के द्वारा वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में रिलीज कर देते हैं. ओके. एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर फॉलोइंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ लीफ. दीज आर द स्टोमेटा. Okay, these are the stomata. Understood? There are following two types of the leaf. Number one, leaf with reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Number two, leaf with parallel venation. Parallel venation. ओके. वह पत्तियां जिनका वेनेशन रेटिकुलेट होता है, दैट इज जस्ट लाइक ब्रांचेस, कॉल्ड एज रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस लीफ इज अ रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन. व्हाट? रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन. रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन. ओके. एंड देयर आर दी another type of leaf, that is parallel venation. Leaf with parallel venation, you can also see it. Leaf with parallel venation. This is the diagram of leaf with parallel venation. Okay, so this is the type of leaves. Okay, next are flowers and bud and fruits. Okay, part number 2 is root. This is the second part of the plant. Students, that part of the plant which are present above inside the soil called as root. मीन्स पादप का वह भाग जो मिट्टी में मृदा में पाया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रूट, एंड इट प्ले मेनी रोल्स फॉर द प्लांट. दैट इज it absorb water, minerals, it absorb water, minerals, and transfer to the leaf that utilize it in photosynthesis. Okay, and second thing is that with the help of root plant is uprooted, plant is stand up on the land. If root is uprooted, then plant or tree will be fall down on the earth. तो रूट क्या करते हैं बेटा, वाटर और मिनरल्स को सॉइल से एब्जॉर्ब करके पौधे के डिफरेंट पार्ट तक पहुंचाते हैं, स्पेशली लीफ तक, जिसका प्रयोग लीव्स फोटोसिंथेसिस में करते हैं और रूट्स पेड़ों को खड़ा होने में हेल्प करते हैं. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? देयर आर फॉलोइंग 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रूट. ओके, रूट्स आर 2 type. Number 1, taproot. Number 2, adventitious root or fibrous root. Fibrous root. Okay, taproot, the root that have a single tapering root with tapering in called as taproot, that is root like. This is a taproot. Okay, this is a taproot and it is present in carrots, radish. Okay, the root of carrot and radish belong to taproot. And number 2 is fibrous root, the root that have numerous fiber like outgrowth or hair like outgrowth, that is called as taproot. The roots of grasses, the roots of sage, herbs belong to taproot, and these roots are just like these are the taproot. They are the just hair-like structure. Okay, and it is present in grasses, beets, sage, etc. Understood? So I hope that all of you understood about the parts of plant, that is following two type, shoot and root, and they are further divisible in following parts. So dear students, in my next video I will teach you about inflorescence or types of flower and fruit. In this video I hope all of you understood something. So I am requesting to all of you, please learn about root and shoot. Thank you. Have a peaceful day.